Okay, so say you're driving down the back road somewhere and you get stuck and there's nobody else around and you need to wait for somebody to arrive and it's cold and you want to make a fire. Is there a way to get a fire going with just your vehicle? No lighter, no matches? Yep, I'll show you how. So say you're driving along and then you're in the backwoods and then all of a sudden, yeah. Stuck. Yeah, see there's the problem. Stuck, just spinning. Should have had winters on, not summers. We would have got up this. Pop your head. So what you need to do is find that Schrader valve on your fuel rail. Stuff your rag in there, make sure the key's on, and then push this guy in, and there we go. There is gas on the rag. Okay, so after you get gas on your rag, put it something like so, pull off one of your spark plug leads, and take your Leatherman that everybody should have, like so. Put it close to the ground. And now just fire up the car. Hit it, Steven. There we go. And that's it. There we go. Gonna be warm for the night. Come enjoy the heat.